Assalamu alaikum. I know at times when we are on our cycles, it can be difficult to stay focused and connect with Allah. I know for me, the urge to continue my worship comes heavy when I'm on my cycle. So here are ways to enhance your spiritual routine. Start with meditation. Drinking tea in the morning, which helps with inflammation and cramp. Considering Salah as a form of it. Reflect on Allah's orders and ways to improve daily as a Muslim. Another way you can keep your connection to Allah is incorporating practices like morning dhikr, Quran listening, lectures you can also listen to, or journaling, as I always do. Strengthening your relationship with Allah involves continuous learning. Try to always dive into new knowledge. Explore the meaning of His 99 names, which are beautiful, by the way. When it comes to Islam, we are always learning, so never assume you know enough. Expanding your knowledge in Islam, even working out, can be an act of worship, showcasing determination and effort. Embrace self-care and recognize that it is a blessing. During your period, use the time wisely to improve productivity and refocus on goals. Despite the pain of your period, see it as an opportunity for reflection and gratitude. Being a woman is a unique journey. It is a beautiful journey, and every experience, even the painful ones, holds blessings. So don't ever feel that just because you're on your period does not mean that you cannot connect with Allah.
We begin by praising Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and bearing witness that none has the right to be worshipped or unconditionally obeyed except for Him. And we bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is His final messenger. We ask Allah to send His peace and blessings upon Him, the prophets and messengers that came before Him, His family and companions that served alongside Him, and those that follow in His blessed path until the Day of Judgment, and we ask Allah to make us amongst them. Allahumma ameen. Typically, when we talk about the effect that we are having on the rest of the ummah, there is this sense of introspection that's lacking. What role am I playing at the spiritual level when it comes to everyone else? And so you can talk about the role of sins in bringing about burden, or you could talk about the role of dua and bringing about relief.
Literally only have 4. I still have so much more hijabs, and it's like I need more. Okay, so I still have a couple more. Well, this is more than a couple, but I still have a lot more to do. I don't have, of course, enough hangers, so I definitely have to buy more. I'm gonna order more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to fill it in this one, even though this one is pretty small. I thought this one was gonna be big when I bought it. It was one of my friends who sent me the link because I saw hers, and hers was really huge. Like, it was really big. Like, it'll literally hang right here and fill up the whole space, so I will have enough space for my hijabs. But when it came, it was so small. I was so frustrated, but so I think I'm just gonna use this for now as a placeholder until I make an order for this and it comes soon. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I got these hangers from Amazon like a while back, and I didn't have a lot. I was getting a lot of hijabs, but I thought I had enough. I thought I only needed like 10, so I guess I need like more than 10 now. And I'm still buying because there are a lot of colors that I don't have, and I do want a lot more colors. I need different shades of pink. I do have my jersey. I've collected enough jerseys, but I don't have a black jersey hijab, which I really want. But I'm glad I got the brown one and like the pinkish lavender type of color. I have a lot of nudes and browns, as you guys can see, because I wear a lot of nudes and browns. I finally got the chiffon white because I have the hijab, the jersey white one too. My collection is coming along very, very well, so hopefully, inshallah, I can get the hangers, put them up, and get more hijabs, because I do plan on buying more hijabs. Okay, so let me show you guys, because this was one of the hijabs that I showed you guys that I had makeup on, and I want to show you guys how clean it got just with the Dawn soap. I'm like in awe. Sometimes I do put some OxyClean to, like, you know, get the dirt really out, but Dawn soap actually gets out the dirt, the grease. I don't know if anybody has ever used Dawn soap to clean their sponges or brushes. Back then, YouTube days, they used to use Dawn soap to clean the brushes, and it did its job because it got rid of the grease, the oil, and all that stuff. So, but look at it, it looks nice, it's clean, literally no makeup in sight. Yeah, it's clean. Yep, brand new, good as new. Material still the same, everything's good, so loving it. But yeah,